So why would you want to take Math 3340? That's probability models. Well, I'm here with Dr. Greg Miller, who teaches that class all the time. So why would I want to take it? What is it, Dr. Miller?
What a great question you asked, Dr. Keith Hubbard. Let me talk a little bit about why someone would want to take probability models Math 3340 in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics here as a math student. First of all, randomness is all around us. We live in a chaotic world, and a lot of times we think that all the randomness that happens around us that we can't control, and that it makes us nervous. But you're a math student, so what you can learn in Math 3340 is that we can actually incorporate mathematical ideas to model the randomness that we see around us in the real world. And if we can do that, if we can model the randomness around us in the real world, then we can help understand it. And if we can understand it, maybe we can even predict it. And if we can predict it, then, well, at least we'd have a better grip on how randomness affects us. And maybe then we can make better decisions in the face of uncertainty. And that's really what probability is. Probability is the subject in mathematics about studying the uncertainty in the real world around us and modeling it using powerful mathematics to understand it and then be able to make decisions off of it. So rather than think of randomness as something that's just chaotic, out of our control, let's use all that good mathematics that you're learning in the math program here at SFA to harness it. Well, what do I mean by that? Like, what good mathematics do you get to use in a probability class? Well, a lot of times the best time to get introduced to probability is right after you've had differential and integral calculus. And you come out of integral calculus thinking, man, I've learned a lot about functions. I've learned a lot about differentiation, integration. Where am I going to use this stuff? Well, there's a big answer to that. And in a lot of classes after calculus, you'll see calculus applications. But probability is one place where you can really leverage all that calculus that you learned in calculus 1 and 2. All those functions that you've seen in algebra classes, all those functions that you've differentiated and integrated in calculus 1 and 2, those are the very functions that we can use to model things in our real world. So if you're looking for a place to understand a little bit about chance, because after all, you hear what are the chances in daily life a lot, right? If you're looking for a place to kind of harness, how can I learn about chance? How can I view randomness as not something that's just chaotic, but actually that I can understand with my mathematical knowledge? And if you're looking to leverage all of that great calculus that you learned in calculus 1 and 2, you get to apply a lot of it in probability models. So what I hope is that as you make your degree plan and you think about the courses that you might take in mathematics here at SFA, or the courses that you would progress in as a mathematics major, that you'd consider hopping into Math 3340 probability models. It's a great class to learn about the randomness around us, how we can predict from it, how we can harness it, how we can understand it. It's a great place to leverage the previous mathematics you've learned at SFA.
Thanks, Dr. Miller.